Hello, Sharpshooter Elite here again, bringing you another review. This is of the Colt 25 little tiny pistol, and let me just zoom in here. And it is fully trademarked. Has Colt on both sides of the grips. Has this horse on there. Right up here, it says Colt Para MPG Co. Hartford, Connecticut, United States of America. And then it says patent numbers. And it says made in Philippines. And there's a serial number. There's another horse logo right there. On the other side, it says Colt Automatic Caliber 25. Right there's a nice Colt on the grips and the horse. Right here's the safety. It's in safe. Fire. When I got it, came with two 15-round magazines, and I got it from Walmart for about 20 bucks. Alright, it says on the package it's 141 feet per second with 0.20 gram BBs. Maximum range is 26 yards, and like I said, it has two 15 round magazines. And just to show, here's the packaging. So right there. There's two magazines on the back, instructions and everything. It's a pretty nice little pistol. Accuracy sucks really bad. I do not like the accuracy at all. It's just fun to shoot once in a while, but the sights are like not even there. It's really hard to see them. There's a tiny blade sight in the front, and tiny cutout right there, so it's pretty hard to aim. But what can you do? It's a tiny pistol. It's a pocket pistol. Yeah. Here's the mags. Just go on like so. There's no mag release on the pistol itself. It's actually on the magazine. You have to push this towards the magazine and pull out. That's really nice. And two 15 round magazines is really good for a small pistol like this. That is great, because the way they did it was as you load, they'd go down and then up like a U, so you can fit more in there. Takedown. I figured this out the other day. I'm not going to really go into great detail, but take your safety off, take your mag out. Then what I do is pull a slide back until you hear the click, of course. Pull it back, take your fingers, and then put them like right here, and then pry it off one side, and then pry it off the other, and then slide comes off, and there's the recoil spring and recoil spring guide. Then here you would have to continue with doing this. First you'd have to take a small screwdriver, undo that screw, you pop out the spring, pop out this metal plate here, then you take the spring out, and then next you just have to drive out this pin here, then it'll come right off. I might get in more detail later. I'll probably show you that. Alright, so first off, I don't know if you can see it, probably not. Right there is where the recoil spring goes, the guide. That's shaped. You have to fit it in just right. You may have to play with it a little bit, like so. And take your slide, you just push it back and snap it back on. There you go. Alright, I'll go ahead and get the tools, and I'll show you how to break it down pretty good.